Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones, tapping on the search bar and typing in Send Anywhere. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, you need to select Send on this XIAOMI device and Receive on XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro. Then tap on all of those dots on this XIAOMI device and just send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on XIAOMI Poco, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing the device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive. Then wait a bit, and now as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!